This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows version, because Windows 11 moves alignment to settings while older builds allow dragging. Right-click the taskbar, and if you see Lock the taskbar checked, uncheck it. Once done, open Settings right arrow Personalization right arrow Taskbar so you can change behavior. Make sure you have admin access if you might use advanced fixes later, and save any open documents. Restarting Explorer will close desktop windows briefly, so prepare for that pause. You now move the bar to the bottom. On Windows 11, go to Settings right arrow Personalization, right arrow Taskbar Behaviors, and choose Alignment. Alignment left places icons to the left while center keeps centered icons but still bottom positioned. On Windows 10 or earlier, unlock the taskbar, click and drag an empty area of the bar down to the bottom edge, and then lock it. If dragging won't work, check Display Orientation. If your screen is rotated, the bottom edge may be elsewhere. Reset to Landscape to proceed smoothly. You finish by locking the taskbar so it stays put. Right-click and select Lock the taskbar, or use Settings to confirm placement and multi-monitor options. If the taskbar resists moving, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer. This reloads shell components and often fixes glitches. If problems persist, reset taskbar settings or create a system restore point before attempting registry changes. That way you can revert if something goes wrong. One key tip: check for auto-hide and multiple displays. They commonly cause confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.